Hey everyone, and welcome to Homeidea channel. Today we're showcasing a stunning private residence Haritha Retreat, designed by Manoj Champika, chartered architect. This unique home isn't just beautiful, it's a haven designed to meet the specific needs of a large extended family, even in a challenging location. Imagine living in a bustling city but feeling miles away. Haritha Retreat achieves just that. Located in a densely populated area of Pepaliana, Sri Lanka, the design cleverly blocks out the surrounding concrete jungle, creating a peaceful oasis within. The key to this retreat's success is its central space, a beautiful garden and pool area. The entire house is designed around this central haven, offering spectacular views from all directions. The house itself is cleverly built on 2 levels. The upper level features an entrance foyer, while the living areas reside on the lower level. This split-level design creates a sense of drama and allows for a double-height living space, enhancing the feeling of openness. The living and dining areas seamlessly connect with the central space, blurring the lines between indoor and outdoor living. Large windows further expand this connection, allowing for effortless flow between the home and the pool deck, perfect for gatherings and celebrations. Haritha Retreat caters to every family member's needs. The bedrooms are minimalist havens for relaxation, while additional spaces like a TV lobby, kids' work area, maker space, and game room offer areas for entertainment and hobbies. The connection with nature goes beyond the central space. Well-designed courtyards, balconies that play with light and shadow, and a lush rooftop terrace offer additional opportunities for relaxation and enjoying the fresh air. The landscaped rainforest concept further mitigates the harshness of the urban surroundings, creating a sense of tranquility. Haritha Retreat is a testament to thoughtful design. It proves that even in a challenging environment, a well-planned and beautiful home can be created, fostering a harmonious living experience for the entire family. Would you love to live in a house like Haritha Retreat? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more inspiring home design explorations.